In recent years, there has been significant progress in the development of virtual agents and technologies that process emotional data in artificial intelligence systems. These developments, known as affective computing, allow AI to recognize and analyze people's feelings. The project Sensitive Aggregation explores the question of how AI can integrate emotional information from various sources to create more sensitive and empathic systems. There is still no consensus in the scientific community about the nature and mechanisms of emotions. Despite significant advances in neuroscience and psychology, emotions remain a complex phenomena involving biological, psychological, and social aspects. Understanding emotions is the subject of ongoing research and debate. AI processes data according to predefined algorithms, but the question of whether a person himself can really be aware and correctly interpret his emotions remains open. My project also draws attention to the ethics and safety of using emotional recognition technologies. Modern systems often try to determine a person's emotional state based on physical, physiological, or behavioral markers. However, emotions can manifest themselves differently in different cultures and depend on many factors, which complicates the task of reliable recognition. Moreover, the possibility of manipulation of emotional data raises serious ethical concerns, since such technologies can be used to control and influence people's behavior. This media installation invites viewers to reflect on the future of AI and its ability to perceive and interpret human feelings. They are invited to observe an experiment in which virtual agents are trained in sensitivity by recognizing melodies and analyzing a database of emotional reactions. Each melody symbolizes one of the 6 basic human emotions: joy, surprise, sadness, disgust, anger, and fear.